Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to cover G2 test route. I'm here at Oshawa Drive Test Center. So they have another test route. So we're going to go to the route and we're going to do the practice on that. So once you leave from the parking lot, make sure that you will give a proper signal. So here you had to give right signal. You had to put in drive. Make sure that you will scan both sides and go slow. Keep checking your surroundings and go slow here since it's a downhill, so no need to push gas, and try to stay on your side. Check into your rear view mirror as well, and no need to go more than 15 to 20 kilometers per hour here in a parking lot. They will ask you to make right turn, so right signal on. Right side blind spot check. So watch here, if somebody is coming from the left side, you have to give them priority. So nobody's there. I'm gonna turn right. Here they will ask you to make right turn, right signal on. So if light is red, we have to come to a complete stop. A lot of people, they make mistake here. So make sure that you will come to a complete stop, then inch forward and move only when it's safe to do so. So there is a bridge on the left hand side, so a lot of people come very fast, so keep eye on them. And the speed limit here is 40, so we'll drive at 40. Check into your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So head movements are very important. So you have to make sure that you will move your head so that the examiner can see that you're checking. Scan intersection. So move and scan. A lot of people, what they do, they brake and then they scan. So the best way is move and scan. Upcoming stop sign, they will ask you to make right turn. So right signal on. Check into your rear view mirror. Signal is on. Check your blind spot and come to a complete stop here. 3-second count. Inch forward, check right side blind spot and move only when it's safe to do so. Here they will say do the lane change to the left and then come back to the right lane. So mirror, signal, blind spot check. You will do the lane change. Make sure that you will follow the speed limits. And now we have to come back to the right lane. So take your time, do it only when it's safe to do so. So mirror, signal, blind spot check, and come into your lane. So a lot of people, they block the intersection here, so make sure that if it's a lot of traffic, you will stop before the driveway here, or else you can stop behind the vehicle. And 1 car distance. So from this traffic light, they will take you straight. Whenever you will pass any intersection, you will check both sides. So here we have to scan both sides before going to the intersection, and now we can see that there is a sign in 150 meters our lane is ending. So now I can see that a lot of traffic on my left hand side. So I will come to this traffic light and now I will give signal, check my blind spot, and I will do the lane change to the left. So a lot of people, they fail the test here because they are not able to do the lane change. If there is a lot of traffic and you have to stop there, you can stop there as well. So from there they will say turn right. So right signal on, right side blind spot check, and we will turn to the street here. In these streets, they will ask you to do uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel parking and all that stuff. Stop sign, turn left. 1, 2, 3. Inch forward, scan both sides. Once it's clear, then finish your turn. From this stop sign, they will say turn left, left signal on. Complete stop. So there is no solid line, so we have to stop before the footpath. Now we will inch forward. Scan both sides, watch for pedestrian, watch for traffic, and move when it's safe to do so. At upcoming stop sign, they will say turn left. Left signal on, stay near to the yellow line. Complete stop before solid white line. Now we will inch forward. Take your time. A lot of people, they try to move so quick and they get fail. Make sure that you will take your time and you will move only when it's safe to do so. It will take 1 minute, 2 minutes, take your time. Check into your rear view mirror as well. So now my way is clear. I'm gonna finish my turn. There is no oncoming traffic. So there is no speed posted, so we can drive at 50. So again, we are at the Park Road. We are on the same street again. So we are going towards the same gas station and Harvey's, that intersection, and from there they will ask you to go left. So I can see the from far there's seconds left, so we're good to go here. Now this traffic light, they will say go left signal on, left side blind spot check. Now there is a sign, it's a one-way sign. So whenever you will turn to the one way, you have to make sure that you will turn into the first lane on the left hand side. So a lot of people, what they do, they go to the more further lane on the right hand side and they get fail. So make sure that you will turn into the first lane on the left hand side. So we have advanced green, so we'll turn into the first lane on the left hand side here, and then you have to do the lane change. So mirror, signal, blind spot check, lane change. They will ask you to lane change again. So mirror, signal, blind spot, lane change again. Take your time here, no need to speed up. So one more lane change, mirror, signal, blind spot, and lane change again. And at traffic light, they will ask you to make a right turn. So if somebody is crossing, you have to give them priority. So signal is green, but still this guy is walking. We have to let this guy go first, check blind spot, and then you will finish your turn. From here, they will ask you to make a right turn. So right signal on, right side blind spot check, and you will come here. Here, go slow. Sometimes they have the pylons here, so you have to come this way and try to stay on your side. So we are at the back side of the test center. So here, as I told, drive at 15 to 20 km per hour. So it's a speed bump here. We will go slow and keep moving. Check into your rear view mirror. So go slow here. Again, there is a speed bump, and then they will ask you to park on left. So left signal, left side blind spot check, and either they will ask you to do the parking on the right hand side or left hand side. Spot check, and we are doing the parking. Yeah, so that's how you will do the parking. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel as well. Good luck for your test.